format of my life. Feels great. Finally seeing some success. It's love. Yeah. Some of these people think I'm famous. Shit, I guess I am. It's like every time I go out in CT, I see a fan. They like, Webby, you're the man. And I'm like, God damn, this shit is getting crazy. Even though it's been the plan since I sat in 6th grade, writing lyrics on my hand, dreaming of the fame and fortune every second that I can, or I could at the time. Now I'm finally achieving it. So if you really got yourself a dream and you believe in it, then follow it. And if they hate, don't worry about the beef and shit. Keep it moving every day and not for any reason quit. Your friends will say you're changing, a lot will turn her back. Even though it's just a job, nobody looks at it like that. It's my way of making money, my fucking career choice. And they mad I get a paycheck strictly off my voice. But the bad comes with the good when you're chilling in the game. Cause now these chicks are DTF from the moment they hear my name. Like, yeah, it's Chris Webby, by the way. Shit is lovely. It's a crazy world out there, you know.